in the Navy. He was 21. He was home, and they had planned that while he was home for a little bit, they would get married. But then he had to go back to the service and do Navy stuff for a few more months, and they didn't get to really be together until January. They had the weekend together. So my grandmother wore a gold dress because it was fall, it was Thanksgiving Day. And so she wore a gold dress to go with the holiday season.
Tell the truth.
That's why she wore gold.
I know, but tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Her parents did not, well, her father did not approve of them getting married.
At all.
Pepe Girard wanted Grandma to marry my grandfather's brother, Uncle Bob.
Yeah. True.
They refused to even go to the wedding.
That's right.
So even though they got, applied for the wedding license and it was planned, they got married at the rectory, and they had to, get things done at 10 in the morning. And then they went to Aunt Edie's house and had Thanksgiving, and she was so surprised their grandpa showed up with a wife.
Wait a minute, you left out the whole part. You left out the part about how they went and got the preacher. And it was
Careful.
Yes, it was Thanksgiving.
And she left out the whole part.
They went, well,
Kelly,
Grandma Ledoux had talked to the priest ahead of time. He knew they were coming.
that's not in our song, Kelly.
Really? They took him away from his Thanksgiving dinner.
His pie.
Yes, they took him away from his Thanksgiving dinner because they had to get married. No, well, I don't want to say they had to.
Well, they didn't have to get married. No, they didn't have to get married, but they wanted to get married.
They wanted to get married, and they had to do it while he was on leave or away.
Right.
So they took the priest away from his dinner.
That's true, and it was Thanksgiving.
And it was Thanksgiving.
So the bottom line is Kelly and I, and we should give Todd credit, shouldn't we?
No.
No, never mind. Todd has no part of this. Todd, wherever you are, you had no part.
I protest.
Todd was the one who told us not to do it.
He did. He told us not to do it.
That's Todd.
You don't get your caught in this.
We rewrote a song. We reworked a song.
We
reworked a song. We can't say we wrote it.
No, we didn't.
Kind of
Okay,
did.
So the
Okay.
song, you all know the song, Will the Circle Be Unbroken? Okay, well, that song isn't appropriate because
Good.
it's about dying.
This is not a funeral.
This is a funeral, and we don't want them to come and take the body away from the hearse and stuff. So we tried to make it happy, didn't we?
We tried.
We tried. So we reworded the song to make it work in our way.
Some people say marriage is a lot like death anyway.
For me it was. How about you? No, not for me. That's pretty scary.
Hey, Kelly, it all depends on who you marry.
That's true. I found the wrong one. I was picking in the wrong props. Are you ready?
I think so.
Give us a C. C, C.
I'm gonna just sing whatever. and hope it matches.
Not in tune anyway.
C, C.
See.
Okay, all right.
You just start.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? I got a big mouth though. Sing loud. You might need the mic because I really don't need it.
Whatever.
Give us a C.
You just start, I'll join in.
I was standing by the window on one cold and cloudy day when I saw my honey coming for to marry me that day. Here we go. May the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by. There's a love that's forever. forget.